Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika. In today's video, we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Astra Theme and GeoDirectory. In this video, we will see how to develop the homepage of our directory website. So let's get started. Today we are going to design homepage. So let's create it first. Select pages and then add new page. Adding title as home, and then we will publish it. Let's check the front end from view page. Our front page seems empty. We will be designing it. So let's get started. Click on eye icon and hide the page title. So first of all, we will be starting from our hero section, in which at top will be our title, in middle the image, and at bottom will be search bar. Click on this plus icon, then browse all, drag and drop this container and select this empty container. Check the width and then add image to the background. Go to style, click background, click on image option and then change image. In media, we have already uploaded the image. We will be selecting it from here. Let's choose this first image and then click select. Now let's go on to padding. First, let's add some settings. Keep repeat at no repeat and select cover for size. Add overlay type color as black and we will be reducing its opacity. For padding, click at spacing, uncheck all type padding and change top and bottom values to 100. Now drag drop heading and changing it to Welcome to BuddyDevelopers. Now from the settings, changing the heading tag to H1 and choose center alignment. For color, go to style and select white. Type GD search and drag and drop it under the title, keeping input type to default. Coming on advanced settings, change bottom margin to 0. Now let's save and see its output. First refresh it. Now you can see the title, background and search bar. Now let's increase the size of the heading. For this, click on this 3-bar icon, then open this background container. Then we will be changing its space settings, changing it to 130 each respectively. Now we'll save it. Now we will come to output, refresh and view it once. So now our hero section is ready. So now we will be adding categories in our home page. For that, we will click on plus icon. Then write GD category in the search box. Then select the block. So now all the categories from our displayed dummy data are shown here. For category, we can add icon also as well as image. As the icon is added, so now we will add image. For this, we will be going into settings, there in style, then in design type. So we will choose image background. Then from row item, select 4. Then click on icon image and hide the icon. Select category image and click hide icon. Now we will add image into category from backend. For that, go into WordPress backend, then in places, then in places categories, then click on edit. In default listing image, select the image. Now we can upload image from here. Then click on update. Similarly, we will be doing for all the other categories. So now we have added images in all the categories. So now our image is displayed in category. Now we will save it. Then go to front end and refresh it. So now click on these three dots and click on add before. So now a wizard has opened. We will be clicking on plus icon and then select heading. Then change its name to all categories and place center alignment. Then in settings we will give margin 50. Then click on save. Then refresh it on front end. So now our category part is ready. After categories, now we will be showing listings. So for that we will need container again. Click on this plus icon, then on the container block. Then we will be giving color to this. Then we will be giving color to the background. From its setting, go to style tab, then to the background type and then choose the color. So we are keeping color in shade of blue and decreasing its opacity. Currently this is within the category container, so we need to take it out from that. For this again we will be going in this 3-line bar icon, then drag and drop out of the container. Now add heading to the container. For that click on the plus icon, then click on heading block, then change the heading name as recent listings and arrange alignment as center and then change its margin to 50. So the heading is done. Now click on these 3 dots and then click add after. Now we will be clicking on this plus icon. Then we will be writing GD listing in the search box. Then click on it. Now our GD listings can be seen. Now we will be styling it, going on to block settings. Now our listing is shown as 2, but we want to make it 4 in each row. Coming on to filters, see change the post to show from 2 to 4. Go to style, then grid layout. We will change it to 4. Now 8 listings can be seen, 4 in each row. So now let's change its margin to 4 and padding to 2. Now we will save it and refresh and check in the front end. So now whatever listings we have added can be viewed here. So our next part will be GD maps. So now we will be adding GD maps. Click on the plus icon. Drag and drop this container block again. Then again we will select this empty container. Then in this left search box type GD maps. Then we will drag and drop it. Now we will be designing it. So for this we will come onto this 3-bar icon. Then click on this GD map container. Then coming on to its settings. So we will be changing its padding to 0. So now our GD map is done. Now we will save it. Now in output we will refresh it. Now you can see that our maps are visible along with the boxes as it is in the container. Coming on to settings, we will change it to full width. Now again we will save it. Then again refresh it in front end. So now you can see it's showing at full width. Now remaining is our block section. So now let's get back onto our editable page. Then click onto the plus icon and then drag drop the container block. Choose this first block section. Then click on this plus icon and then browse all. Now we will be adding post here, so we will write post. we will drag and drop this post grid. So now our backend posts are seen here. Then going into settings, choose post type post and adjust post per page to 3 and adding column layout to 3. Now we will be adding a heading here, for which we will drag and drop this heading block and we will edit its name to blogs. Adjust it to center alignment. For padding, go to style, then spacing, then padding. Click on unlink and padding as 50 and 10 respectively. For blog settings, we have to give padding. For this, change the content padding to bottom padding at 40 and save it. Now coming on to front end, we will refresh it and now we can view the blog section under maps. So this was our part 3 in which we have showed how to create home page of a directory site. In the next episode, part 4, we will be showing how to design archive page of directory listing. So to view that part, do subscribe our channel. Also do hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload. At first, we also provide directory site development services. So if you need a customized solution for your directory website, we can help you. You can hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com by clicking on the Hire Us button. You can also follow us on other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such WordPress educational videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.